Over the last few years, the growth in data is just risen exponentially. You can probably see this just in your home experience with the growth of the data you keep at home with all your MP3 files and photos. Every time you change your camera, the photos get larger. You have to upgrade your home technology to keep pace with this. You're putting stuff into the cloud. If you then take this into the business context, you're seeing this massive growth, not only in the traditional relational databases and that are growing, but also in the growth and the growth in use of the unstructured data such as Excel and PowerPoint and media files such as photos and videos, which are now very much part of the corporate taxonomy within their data. The traditional methods of just putting it onto brown spinning disk and just leaving it there just is no longer economically viable. It's got to be actively managed, it's got to be protected, and it's got to be available to mine and really gain data from. And this is where we're seeing quite a sea change now, is that organisations are realising that they've got an absolute goldmine of data sitting in the basement that really helps them understand customer sentiment and exactly what the business is doing, and adding new dimensions to how they can read and understand their business. And this is, I think, where for the first time we can really start seeing a front to back linking, or to put it in other terms, a basement to boardroom linking of all that brown spinning disk that sat there in a data center, and actually bringing it right to the front of the business and saying, hey, we've got some good stuff down here and we can really help drive the business forward. What we tend to do, and what's working very well, is we actually bring the IT and the business people in for one of our big data transformation workshops, and we sit them all down and we say, okay, business, what do you need to do? What analytics, what instrumentation do you need in order to drive your business forward, and what functionality is that? And then from IT, what data have you got, what information have you got, what information can we get from outside? And then we work out, we give them a roadmap to say, okay, if you need this instrumentation, then this is probably the tool set you need, and if this is the data you've got, this is what you need to do in order to cleanse and refine that data, so that we can then bring the two together and say, here's your data, here's your tool set, and then you've got the end-to-end, you've got from the storage to the business link. So we give them that roadmap, we give them some nice sort of short projects that within that roadmap that will drive immediate benefit and give ROI every step of their big data journey.